salvation if a one man repent and come back to God. Evangelism. Ayan, punta na kayo sa kids. Sige na. That's your part now. Punta na kayo doon sa langit na bayan. Okay? So, relational evangelism is number 1, dapat authentic. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, totoo. Yun. Kaya, kailangan natin magpakatotoo. Christians are to be good news before they share the good news. So, dapat tayo pala mga Kristiyano maging good news muna before they share the good news. Na kahit kasino kaya gamitin ni Lord. Kung ibibigay mo lang buhay mo. At relational evangelism reflects our own personality, putting others at ease and letting them know that what we have is real. Just as words without action are empty, so are actions without words. So, we have to live and explain the gospel. Persons coming to Christ is like a chain with many links. Sabi natin, nililinaw natin, maraming link yan. We do not have to feel that we individually carry the full burden of evangelism. God has not called us to only be the last link, just to be a link. People are hungry to be in a relationship with someone who really cares about them. Yan ang hinahanap ng tao. Mamahalin mo sila sa pangit at maganda ng buhay nila.